Hey everyone! Have you ever been stuck splitting a bill with friends and wished there was an easier way? Or maybe you're a freelancer tired of the hassle of chasing invoices. Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mamopay, a financial platform designed to make money matters in the UAE a breeze. So, whether you're a seasoned businessman or just starting out, buckle up and get ready to learn how mamopay can revolutionize the way you handle your finances. Sending and receiving money in a flash. Imagine this: you're out for a fun night with friends, the laughter's flowing, and the bill arrives. Panic sets in. Who has cash? Thankfully, one of your friends is a mamopay user. All they need is your phone number, and with a few taps, the money is transferred instantly. No more scrambling for change or waiting for bank transfers to clear. Mamopay cuts through the hassle, making splitting bills or sending quick payments to anyone in the UAE a piece of cake. But how does the magic happen? Mamopay acts like a digital middleman. When you send money through the app, it doesn't directly go from your bank account to the recipients. Instead, the funds are temporarily held by mamopay in a secure environment. Once the recipient confirms they've received the money, it's deposited into their bank account. This secure transfer process ensures peace of mind for both parties. Mamopay for business, level up your game. Mamopay isn't just for splitting bills with friends. It's a powerful tool for businesses too. Imagine being a freelancer, no more waiting for clients to send lengthy checks. With mamopay for business, you can create unique payment links. Simply send the link to your client, and they can securely pay you with a few clicks, using their credit card, debit card, or even Apple or Google Pay. It's that easy. Beyond payments, the power of the Mamo Business Dashboard. Mamopay for business doesn't stop at sending invoices. They've got your back with a user-friendly dashboard that keeps you organized. Track all your incoming and outgoing payments, monitor their status, and even download detailed reports for your accounting needs. No more scrambling through emails or chasing down receipts. Mamopay puts everything you need in one place. Flexible options for every business. The beauty of mamopay for business is its flexibility. You can create payment links with fixed amounts or allow your clients to enter their own custom payment. Need to collect additional information like a customer's name or a message? No problem. Mamopay lets you customize your payment links to fit your specific needs. More than just transactions, the Mamo advantage. Mamopay goes beyond just being a payment platform. They offer a unique feature called the Ultra Plan. Here's the deal: when you use the Mamo Visa corporate card that comes with the Ultra Plan, Mamo earns a small commission from the merchant you spend at. But guess what? Instead of keeping that profit, they pass it back to you as a discount on your transaction fees. It's a win-win situation. Security matters, keeping your money safe. Security is paramount when it comes to your finances. Mamopay understands this and employs robust security measures to keep your money safe. They comply with the highest international security standards and use advanced encryption technologies to protect your data. So, is mamopay right for you? Whether you're an individual looking for a faster, easier way to send and receive money, or a business owner tired of chasing invoices, mamopay offers a compelling solution. With its user-friendly interface, secure transactions, and valuable features like the Mamo Business Dashboard and Ultra Plan, mamopay is poised to revolutionize the way you manage your finances in the UAE. Ready to give mamopay a try? Head over to their website to learn more and sign up for an account. With mamopay, say goodbye to the hassles of traditional money transfers and hello to a world of financial convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.